Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to change between heating mode and cooling mode on your TCL air conditioner. Now the process is quite simple. Usually if we are in summer, then you want to set your TCL AC on cooling mode, but then during winter you want to set it to heating mode. And the way you do that on your TCL AC remote control, first of all, by default, it should be on cooling mode. And this is basically the cooling mode icon over here at the top. So to set it on heating mode now, you just want to go ahead and tap on this mode button. This is just going to change the modes of the AC until it gets to cooling mode. So if you tap on it once, here we have the dry mode, and then you want to go ahead and tap on it again. Then we are going to get to the fan mode. So this is basically the fan mode, not the heating mode. And if you tap on it one more time, now we are going to get to the heating mode. So this is actually the heating mode icon. And during winter, you want to make sure that this is actually the option that is selected. You don't want to set it to automatic. This is actually automatic. And you also want to take notice of the difference between the fan mode and the heating mode. So if you continuously tap on it, you're going to see this is actually the fan mode icon. And then if you tap on it again, we get to the heating mode. And that is basically how to change your TCL AC between cooling and heating mode. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.